If you invest in a woman, you will regret it. If you train her in school, you will regret it. If you give her a life you haven't given to yourself, you will regret it. If you exalt her above yourself, you will regret it. This is the law of reality. A man who forgets this law will be crushed under the weight of his own foolishness. The only time you will never regret it is when you invest in yourself instead of a woman. A man who builds himself is a god. A man who builds a woman is a slave. The hard truth is that whatever sacrifices you are making for a woman counts as a donation to the void. A black hole with no return. A sacrifice to a God that does not hear prayers. There is no guarantee anywhere that you are making an investment that will generate an ROI tomorrow. You are pouring gold into a bottomless pit, expecting it to fill up. It never will. Never put your trust in a woman. She is not built for loyalty. She is built for survival. You will regret it. I know now some of you reading these posts will think I am a loser who hates women. But the deep truth is, you can't love women more than I love them. But I am not weak enough to tell you the truth. Weak men lie. Weak men sugarcoat. Weak men end up on their knees, broken, crying over a woman who never cared in the first place. Women are natural betrayers. They don't have to think about it. They don't have to plan it. It is coded in their DNA. They don't know about this until it's time for them to betray you. And then, like a machine executing a program, it happens. Before you do anything for a woman, make sure it's something you can let go of. Make sure it's something that won't shatter you when she throws it back in your face. Let it be something that won't hurt you badly when she dumps you. Because she will. The only question is when. The truth is that women remember bad more than good. Your years of sacrifice, your blood, your devotion, it all disappears in an instant. You are 99.8% good to her, and just one day when you do her 0.02% bad, she will instantly forget all the good you have ever done for her and hold you ransom for the bad. She will crucify you for a single sin and forget the thousands of blessings you gave her. You will pay dearly. You will pay with your peace, your mind, your very essence. Love women, but understand that love is not foolishness. Love with power, or don't love at all. Use your brain, or she will use it for you. Use your spine, or she will break it. Women will continue to useless you. Until you wake up, they will keep dancing on your corpse. Until you rise, they will keep stepping on your soul. This is war. Wake up, or be destroyed. The Dark Code Book.